All right, so underneath here, I can see that is that where the propane tank is?
Right, right. So this is a standard feature for a Westfalia.
Okay.
And it has a propane tank that services both the stove and the refrigerator.
Okay.
Again, the refrigerator's been removed, so it just works the stove. And honestly, we camp a lot. I fill this thing up maybe every other year.
Oh, wow.
I don't know what its capacity is, but
now so this is for the stove and the refrigerator, but you're using an electric refrigerator now.
Correct.
And that's being run off of a house battery, which you can charge right out here with the solar panel.
Yeah, so the house battery is, there's actually two 35 amp hour sealed lead acid batteries, and they live under the front seats.
Okay.
They are charged by a 100-watt solar panel.
Okay.
And we'll show you the solar controller
right
from the inside.
Okay.
So that feature handles taking care of the refrigerator.
Okay.
As well as there's a heater in there too. So it handles the starting of the heater, and there's some USB ports as well.
Now, if I understand correctly, then the propane is not used for heat.
That is right. That is right.
Okay.
So that's kind of cool. In that this being a diesel vehicle, we have a diesel heater that I installed under the rear seat.
Right.
You see the outlet there. We'll show it to you. But instead of having a separate tank like most big trucks would have for a heater like that, I just tapped into the fuel line from the main van. So there's kind of an unlimited supply that they use very, very little diesel. So
the same diesel that you drive down the road with is the same diesel that you can heat the camper with.
That is exactly right.
Okay.
Exactly right.
All right. Well, good. Well, I tell you what, I appreciate the walk around here. We're going to stop here, and then we're going to do a separate video where you can kind of show us all of the features that this offers inside.